Welcome. Today we are going to start talking about linear equations. Okay, so first, let's start with the definition. Now this is a general definition which says that a linear equation is any equation in a given variable where each term in the equation either contains a variable to the first power or a constant. Okay, that's the general definition of a linear equation. Any equation in a given variable where each term has one variable raised to the first power or a constant. So for example, in these examples, the ones that are equations or linear equations, this one's a linear equation in x and t because you see that each term contains either one variable raised to the first power or a constant. Okay, so this would be an example of a linear equation. This, on the other hand, is not because of the x squared term. So this one is not a linear equation. This one is, because again it has terms that each term is either has of one variable raised to the first power, right? So these two, or is a constant. Okay. This one is not, because this one has an xy in there. Okay. So this one is not a linear equation. And then over here, this is a linear equation in x, y, z, and w, because again, each term you can see has one variable raised to the first power and or a constant. Okay, so this is a linear equation in four variables. This one is not, because of the y in the denominator, because this y, you could write it as minus 6y to the negative first power. And so this is not, it violates what we just defined as a linear equation. So it's to the negative first power. Okay, so it's got to be positive 1. Okay, and so those are examples of linear equations. Remember, each term contains one variable to the first power and or a constant term. Okay, that's it. See you next time.